Welcome to another episode of this video on my Raspberry Pi 1 running Raspbian Linux and having RaspberryPi Plus for communication with Minicom serial terminal, as well as Ethernet connection for VNC connection, and the band cable connected to this breadboard, and excuse me for not very good camera handling. So I have two chips. This one is an I2C converter, analog to digital converter using the SPI protocol, which I'm not using right now. This one I am using, which is I2C chipset for controlling and reading elements, electronic components, wired to the band cable connected to the GPIO of the Raspberry Pi, general purpose input output, and currently having a problem of executing a demo program. Last time I extended the number of LEDs to 6 out of possible 8 connections. So right now I have 6 instead of 8. The last one is the power connection, which is right here. So it does work, kind of, but if I am using the program right now, I get only output on screen, not on the oscilloscope, which is connected through these probes. So the question is, why doesn't that work? And for that, it's better to watch screen. So this is not showing anything right now. No lights, and certainly on this camera no oscilloscope image. So let's see how everything works out. Well, how is the situation? I have run the code, and as you can see, as you could see, nothing happens. Not here, not there. Run it again, but basically that's it. There is of course the other test, which is I2C detect. And remarkable is that it runs as slowly as it did before, and last time, or not before, but as it did once. And then it ran very fast, and in the meantime I had to reboot the Raspberry Pi. So right now I'm quite curious what will happen. Why does it do it this way? And one other remark, you may see now the bottom line of the screen, of the Raspberry Pi screen. That is because I changed the resolution of the VNC server into horizontal 1920, vertical 600. So now the desktop is just as what you see. Although, yeah, this is one terminal, this is the other one. In the meantime, this is leading to nothing, and I have to do it here. let's do it again. Right, I don't get any signal here either, which is not nice. So I think I should reboot and see whatever happens. Although, alright, here it boots. And the question is, how is the I2C? Is the I2C loaded at all? Answer is yes, it has been loaded. And the other question is, with the if you have seen the previous episode about the 2708, it's been loaded, and the /depth entry driver has been created, has been loaded. So still the question, where is everything? Well, basically I should be able to find from let's say here something with the name and then BCM 2835, nothing. Alright. Oh wait, no, wrong directory. So why am I doing this? Well, the point is that where this one is, the other one might be. And I've forgotten where to find this one. But let's look for this one then. Also with asterisks. And inside I2C, no. Then there are modules loaded. Okay, let's have it run. Where is it also? This is a driver. This is another driver within a different kernel. And this is all there is. There's no H. There is apparently no driver file somewhere else. So let's now find this one. In the exact same place. So apparently, let's find for this one. And see, this is what I'm talking about. This directory is this directory inside my program. So if these files are like these ones and like this necessary one is in the same location, then why isn't there an include file in of this one in the same location. Without it, it's very hard to do something. So let me make sure that this location is well known. User include Linux and then I2C dev.h. Now I know it is there, and these ones are in the MCP 2300 directory. The rest isn't. Anyway, I have to check this one again before I reboot the whole stuff, because this by now should give or should have given a signal, and it really doesn't. Or the point should be because last time it was at 0.20. Right now, no, nothing. Okay, time to reboot. And I will do that right here. But first, close this thing, close stuff. This one and this one, and see whatever happens. Except for shutdown and reboot, I also performed an update, so who knows what's going to happen. Okay, this is disappointing. Really disappointing. Why is it this slow? It can't be the cameras, because the cameras are connected to the laptop, for which I do the VNC. Also, this is not showing a thing. Is there something with the range on the oscilloscope? Let me do it like this to 1/10 of a second. Right. This is not helping. Not helping at all. Right. Let's do this and say I want to run a program, which again doesn't do a thing. Again, disappointing. Or am I too quick, too impatient? On the other hand, I don't see anything. And it would be a walking light, in the sense that either one of these starts to go on and then off. At least that's what I expect to happen. So should I run the configuration once again? I hope not. Right. So advanced options, I2C. Yes, is enabled to be loaded by default. Yes, it already was. Anyway, it will now be loaded by default. It already was. So let's go again. And now I see something. But not every time. Why not every time? What is the difference? Let's go to 50 milliseconds. Do I see a difference? Not really. Okay, let's run the demo. Alright, let's run the configuration again. And once again, yes, yes, okay, thank you, yes, okay, thank you, finish. One more time, and it doesn't do a thing. Not a blip. So how can I be sure that it works when this even doesn't work? That's really odd. Yeah, not open, so did you notice that? Nothing. So go back to 0, error message. Yep. Let's go somewhere here, 200 milliseconds. Oh yeah, I noticed, wait. So I need to shorten the time. Let's say 5 milliseconds. Even shorter, 1 millisecond. .500 microseconds. In very short, I don't get it. So what happens that it works now, while it didn't work at reboot, directly after reboot, while it didn't work before reboot. So let's run the demo. Yeah, no chance. And remarkable is that this one does not show anything. It says nil. While clearly on the oscilloscope there is a signal. Alright, this needs some more investigation. And let's talk about some details, because the devil is in the details. Now, looking for I2C underscore dev, I2C hyphen dev. Note the difference. Indeed, right here, right here. Then BCM 270608, sorry. In sys module there is an I2C underscore BCM, etc. When I look at the drivers, I find, yes, a hyphen instead of an underscore. Now usually this particular kernel driver is usually transferred into a header file. In this case, not to be found. So, what if I say let's say intmod and then say I2C underscore BCM 2700. If it is this actually doing something? Right? It is where? Well, the module is in sys module invert parameters. It ain't simple as that. While I'm doing the insmod correctly. So looking for the module, it is underscore. Looking for the module, it is underscore. Looking for the driver, it is a hyphen, as I said before. But what to do in here, how to deal with it, I have yet to find a header file, if it is there. And let's go back to I2C detect. Does this still work? Yes, it still works. This doesn't work yet. And whatever I search for on the internet, I don't get any clarity. A lot of people are sharing my search, but as yet nothing specific yet. And there's no use to include something when it's not there. That may be obvious. So, what to do? Last attempt for now. Reading the original information about this demo, I came across information that in this file, which is in the make file and all dependent on everything where this depends on as well, is an I2C init. And this had I2C 0. Now my I2C detect only works with 1, so this I had to change to 1. hoping, assuming that that will be it. And so I tried, and unfortunately it doesn't work out. Now here is the I2C dev.h. Here I have a lot of other stuff. Whether or not it works or should work, I don't know. But point is that this obviously works, and after adjusting, this is still not working. The LEDs are doing nothing. This is doing nothing. And that's all I can say for now. So I thought to have the solution, but unfortunately a little bit disappointed. Well, very much disappointed. And I had to I got some compiler errors, and I had to remove all thing, and yes, saving this one, of course. I don't want to start over again. Anyway, no such luck this time. Will it work another time? I assume so. One step closer, and yet again not one step closer. It might be that this is still not connected correctly, and let me move these out of the way. I don't want short circuits in any way possible. On the other hand, that is not a problem here, because this is all ground, so they would connect to ground. Are these LEDs broken? I do not assume so. Are these resistors the correct value? I have no idea. But the fact that this on the oscilloscope is not doing anything, that is a very vague sign of something not working. Anyway, enough for these attempts. So, like I said, these LEDs are not showing any sign of life. Running the detect program, this works. Running the demo, no such luck. Let me try it once again. No. So it might be that there's some wiring problem after all. Not to be ignored, but I assume it is not the case. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment. If you follow me on Twitter, please retweet, like and leave a comment. If you follow me on Instagram, please like and leave a comment. You can also follow me on my website. And please donate to keep videos coming to you. You can also become a patron and have your name mentioned, either on my website or on my website, as well as with my videos, depending on the pledge you make. And this is going to be continued. Once again, thank you for watching, and bye bye.